Conservation Corner on Market Journal is supported by the Nebraska Corn Board.
Precision technology continues to play a bigger role in the agriculture space. Now, Nebraska Extension's Precision Application Technology Lab in North Platte is launching a new training program called PEST Academy. This hands-on course is designed to help participants better understand spray technology and improve pest management practices. Market Journal's Bill Dodd has more on this opportunity. Bill?
50 field responses so far this year.
An exciting training opportunity is available through Nebraska Extension in western Nebraska, known as PEST Academy, or Precision Education in Spray Technologies. These hands-on training sessions are a joint venture between Nebraska Extension's Precision Application Technology Lab and the Nebraska Corn Board, which seeks to equip participants with the knowledge and practical skills to optimize pesticide applications for improved agricultural outcomes.
This is the program that's been established within the PAT lab that really pushes toward data-driven decisions to help our applicators to make those really informed decisions out in the field. So main kind of the things that we are looking to discuss out there within the PEST Academy is importance of the droplet size, risk potential associated with every single application, and as well coverage assessments on the targets. And really how this one is influenced by nozzle selection, spray mix additives, and as well a lot of different items. Beyond this one of the things that I really like about the PEST Academy, we have a session that is open for the participant submissions where they can really submit what they are applying out in the field, and we can see how things look like and whether or not things can be improved as well. So this one can be something that they are currently using, but as well what they will be using for the future. So the first Nebraska Corn Board is one of the entities that is funding this program, and we are really grateful for that one. But one of the things that is really important for us as well is providing this continuing education to pretty much all of the custom applicators across of the state that really will help them out with the decision making and everything else. Beyond this one, PEST Academy is an extension program. We actually have the research part as well, where we are really looking to update the herbicide resistant maps across of the Nebraska, and as well helping out end user to see how future regulations are really shaping things that they will be doing in the future. So the people that will be really benefiting from this program primarily include all of the people that they are making decisions for the applications out in the field. This one is included to all of the agronomists, managers of the applications, and as well custom and private applicators that they are making those decisions out there. So they will be really able to get a little bit more broader perspective or to broader than technical knowledge about the different aspects, how their applications can be maximized.
Precision application technologies can create significant returns on investment in many cases. However, the practices learned through this training session will also lead to benefits such as enhanced sustainability and a better understanding of making data-driven decisions.
So in terms of the land stewardship and sustainability, I would like to take a step back and to talk the first place where we are actually out there in the field to control some kind of the pests that we are having and dealing with, and to really ensure the crop yields to be at the maximum for our given pretty much scenarios that we are working with. How this one is really influencing is that we have the limited availability of the products that we are using there, and we need to think as well how we can maximize the effectiveness of all of those. So that is really driving the stewardship, how products are used through different application parameter selections and everything else that goes into decision making to make this one happen. So those events will be held at the North Platte, Nebraska, within the West Central Research and Extension Center, and currently we actually have the 3 sessions that they are left February 11th, March 11th, and April 8th, that they will be hosted here at the Precision Application Technology Lab. That is really driving those hands-on experiences with participant scenarios that they are looking to see. There is no cost to attend or to participate in those 3 sessions. That will be pretty much all of the funds were provided through Nebraska Corn Board and private partnerships that actually we were able to offset all of the cost for any of the people that may be interested. One thing to keep in mind, just to keep groups at least contained, we are at least looking to maximum up to 35 people per session to attend those sections. So one of the items that I would really like to add, I would like to encourage our Nebraska corn growers to attend all of those sessions, because Nebraska Corn Board is providing support for the lodging for up to 75 participants within PEST Academy. Beyond this one, all of the participants will be able to get the Nebraska weed guides or Nebraska guide for weed, insect and disease management free of charge, and quite a few other materials that they are related with Endangered and Threatened Species Act, and as well up-to-date nozzle manufacturing catalog that were generally provided by nozzle manufacturers.
From ag professionals to consultants and educators, whether you're looking for foundational training or advice on agricultural insights, the PEST Academy ensures a personalized learning experience for those who are lucky enough to attend. Reporting for Market Journal, I'm Bill Dodd.